Okay, so now we're going to go back outside for the 4th attempt. This is getting very ignoring. Frustrating, I guess. And what's up, viewers? Today's no Let's Make It Awesome. So we're going to do it again. But this time it's going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be like a volcano, but it is. We're going to show you how all the molecules react together to make that explosion. Not explosion, but it erupt. So we're going to show you that with my Yahoo bottle. So we also have the right stuff.
Turn around.
So we are gonna do it right here. Again. So this time it's almost perfect. I like to give it the soap so then it'll be less messy and a lot more stuff. So that's about good. We're gonna pour this in and show you how it reacts. There we go, almost empty. So as you can see, it's going into the vinegar, so it's forcing their way all the way to the top. So if you think of like a what is it?
Soda?
No, not soda. Well, yeah, like soda. When it's been shaked up a lot, all the molecules. That's close enough. They come up, mix with each other, and it just comes up. Like when you open it. Oh, let's stand up. And what I was gonna say was it's like a seal, how they can go underwater, but they have to go up for air. So that's what I like to think of it like, that they had to come up for air. And it is not hot, but I do not want to touch it because it has already stained me. But I guess we can touch it. If you want to try it at home, you can. It is a little bit messy. See, it'll just like keep on. Dude, come on. It'll just keep on coming up.
What are the ingredients?
The ingredients is vinegar, baking soda, and soap. Don't forget the most important, the food color. Water too. You have to stir the soap, the vinegar, and the food coloring in the water, and stir it all up if you want. And the food coloring, pour it in. Then you'll see how I have a little bit left. I like to do this. I don't know why. But so I put it on top to make it look cool, I guess. And it will make your hands dirty if you touch it. So make sure you wear gloves. And that's our video. Peace. So that's how it works.
Okay. Here. Are you done?
Yeah. Peace.